Practi-Insulin Pen Trainer. How to use an insulin pen. To begin, read the label correctly. Ensure the dose selector is set to 0. Remove the pen cap and disinfect the stopper. Carefully attach a new needle. Prime the pen by dialing 4 units, remove the needle covers, and press the plunger to expel the units. Now dial the prescribed dose, in this case 8 units, disinfect the injection site and allow to dry. Inject at a 90-degree angle and hold for 10 seconds after pressing the plunger. Remove the needle, recap carefully with the outer cover, and dispose in a sharps container. Recap the pen for future use, ensuring the dose selector is at 0. The supplies used in the video include